Welcome to Skill Enhancement courses under UGCF 2022. Today we will unveil the Skill Enhancement courses. Big Data Analytics Second. It is 2 credits course. Unit 1, Big Data Systems, the Advances. In this unit, we are going to cover data flow, data ingest with Flume and Scoop and Hadoop archives, Hadoop I/O, compression, serialization, Avro and file-based data structures. Next is Unit 2, Introduction to Apache Spark. Introduction, Architecture of Spark, Resilient Distributed Datasets, Spark Transformations, Writing Spark Application, Spark Programming in Scala, Python, R, Java Application Execution. Next is Unit 3, Machine Learning with Big Data. Introduction to Machine Learning, Supervised vs Unsupervised Learning, Cluster Analysis, Understanding K-means Clustering, Implementation of K-means Clustering with MapReduce. Last one is Unit 4, Introduction to GPU Computing. Introduction to GPU Computing, CUDA Programming Model, CUDA API, Simple Matrix, Multiplication in CUDA, CUDA Memory Model, Shared Memory Matrix Multiplication, Additional CUDA API features. Practical exercises. Implementation of matrix multiplication with Hadoop MapReduce. Implementation of K-means clustering using MapReduce. To study and implement basic functions and commands in R or Python programming. To build word cloud, a text mining method using R or Python for easy to understand and visualization than a table data. To implement clustering program using R or Python programming. Hope it's helpful.